Welcome to the Dakota Business Lending Loan Portal. This short tutorial will show you how to use the portal for submitting documents pertaining to your loan. Simply click the Get Started button in the email invite you received, and it will take you to a secure upload portal for your loan application, closing, or servicing documents. In the portal, you will be able to see at any time which documents have been submitted, which ones have been accepted, any that need further review, as well as which items are outstanding and still needed for your loan. The Invite Progress bar across the top of the page shows the current status of the required items. Each line item represents a required document for your loan. By expanding any line item, you will find a description of what is needed for this item. Clicking again on that line item collapses the information for a cleaner view of the list. There are two types of items that may be required, either forms to be completed and signed or documents that need to be uploaded. Line items with the dashes and read only are section dividers to show categories of information such as business, project, and personal information required in that section. Click on the button that says I've read this request to show this item as completed. For any line item that is a file upload, click on the line item to expand that section. Drag and drop or click to upload that particular document. It will show the name of the document in Uploaded Files. Then click the Submit button on that line item. It will now show awaiting review. For any line item that is a form, this is a PDF that needs to be completed and digitally signed by you. By clicking on the line item, it will expand that section. You will then see the form to complete. Click Fill and Sign to complete this form. Type in your information to complete all the fields in this form. If you need to save partways through the form, click Finish Later at the top of the page. You can always come back and complete the form at a later date. Once the form is fully completed, be sure to complete all the fields. I'm going to skip over them for the purpose of this video. Click in the Sign box to digitally sign the form you are submitting. Then click the Save and Submit button at the top of the page. Do not click Save and Submit until you have fully completed the form. This will take you back to the main page where you will see it is now awaiting review. You can also provide any required items from your smartphone by clicking the link in the email or from the text sent to your phone to access the portal. You can take photos of documents or upload and submit from your phone. At any time, if you have a question, you can click on the View Messages tab to the right of your screen and type your message. The Dakota Business Lending team members working on your loan will respond here as well, making it easy to keep all communications in one place. As your application, closing, or servicing documents are reviewed by our team, they will either accept the items if complete or may request a revision if something is incomplete or other information is required. For items that are accepted, no further action is required. If revision is required, you will receive an email notice with a link back to this portal. For items showing revision required, simply click on the line item. See the note about that item under the Updates section. Complete the notes required by either completing the form or uploading a different document and submit again for further review. When you are fully completed with the checklist of items, your Invite Progress at the top of the page will show that you have submitted all requests and each item in the list will show accepted. If there is more than one person working on this application, you will only see items pertaining to you and not the other individuals. We hope this short tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know. We're here to help and excited to be a part of this project with you.